بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Chemistry research. It is my research جعفر قاسم نعمه. The object of the research is modern periodic table. So first, what is the periodic table? Periodic table is the system that helps arrange all the chemical elements based on the atomic number of each element, and it's worth noting it's gone through many stages until it reaches its current form in the arrangement of the element. So I will show to you what are the stage and the development of the periodic table. The emergence of the modern periodic table. By 1864, German chemist Julius Lothar Meyer arranged the chemical elements based on the atomic mass of each element and grouped those elements together based on the chemical properties. As the image, this is German chemist Julius Lothar. And then the Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev arranged these elements according to similar characteristics, but his table was containing many gaps because he believed there are chemical elements that have not yet been discovered, but he made many predictions after discovering the element at a later time and clarified that they carry the same characteristics that Mendeleev had previously predicted, which made his writings and theories spark controversy in the scientific community, as he arranged the element regularly using a table and called it periodic table. As the image is the Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev. This is the Mendeleev periodic table, which have many gaps of the elements that he was think it's not discovered. Dmitry Mendeleev, the Russian scientist, is the first person to publish the periodic table in the year 1869, and his theories contributed to reaching the modern periodic table used in our time. Mendeleev concluded that there are some elements that were not discovered and left some voids in the cells of the atomic masses 100, 72, 86 and 44, and after discovering the element technetium, germanium, gallium and scandium, it was discovered that they bear the same numbers of atomic masses that Mendeleev left the fields are empty in the periodic table bottom. As the image, this is the element that is discovered at later time. The evolution of modern periodic table. The periodic table went through many development and witnessed the various stages as scientists contributed to proving additions to it, such as the scientist William Ramsay, who was able to discover the noble elements and included these as a new group in the periodic table, and that the discoveries of William Ramsay helped in confirming the validity of the periodic table that he said, as the image is the scientist. And with the advent of the 20th century, especially in 1913, the British physicist Henry Moseley was able to discover that the arrangement of the element in the periodic table must be based on the atomic number of each element and not depending on the atomic mass. As the image, this is the British physicist Henry Moseley. After he analyzes the X-ray frequencies that are emitted from the element chemical, so Moseley developed the periodic table around the element using the atomic number, and the atomic number means the number of protons in the nucleus. Divided the table into 8 columns called groups and around 7 horizontal rows called periods. As the image, this is the periods and the groups, where Moseley arranged the elements that have the number of atoms of similar characteristics in the same single column, or wrote the name of each element in addition to its proton number, its symbol, and writing the average atomic mass in the same square depending on 18 columns. As the image is the explain of the square in the periodic table. This research is by Ja'far Qasem Na'mah, 4th class A, to my teacher Ali الطريحي. Thank you for watching. شكرا للمتابعة الطيبة.